Hello, my name is Stacey Brook and I am the founder and chief advisor at College Essay Advisors. And today I'm going to be talking to you about the Common Applications prompt number 3. And that prompt reads, reflect on a time when you questioned or challenged a belief or idea. What prompted your thinking? What was the outcome? Prompt number 3 has been one of the trickier prompts historically for students to answer because it requires you not only to talk about your beliefs and ideas, but to do so in quite a succinct way. This can also be one of the more difficult prompts for students to steer in a positive direction without going into overly preachy territory. And it can be precarious in that a student has to assess the risks of espousing beliefs that may potentially be a little bit controversial. Still, if this prompt jumps out at you and you feel like you have a story to tell, you might as well run with it. If executed well, this prompt can be deeply incisive, highly personal. For example, it worked out very well for one of our students who used it to challenge her parents' what she believed to be outdated beliefs about feminism. The answer to this prompt can entail something a little bit more self-reflective, having to do with your own personal life, or something a bit more widespread that tackles some larger societal belief or construct. Some questions you might want to consider when you're thinking about this prompt include, when has your opinion been unpopular? Why are you the kind of person who is willing to stand up for what you believe in? What is important to you on a fundamental level of morals and values? Are you openly atheist in a Catholic school environment? And what has that meant for your relationships with your peers and faculty? Do you organize rallies to peacefully protest injustices in your local community? As with any of the other prompts, don't forget to answer all parts of the question. After you discuss how you questioned or challenged something, don't forget to also tell us about the outcome. For example, what happened after you stood up to that bully who used a racial slur? And how did you feel after you participated in the Women's March on Washington? Would you do it again? Also, your essay doesn't have to be focused around a fundamentally serious or groundbreaking issue. If you can make the case for why horror is not a throwaway movie genre and talk about how you created a horror movie club at your school that led to increased appreciation of one of your favorite kinds of movies by some of your fellow students, by all means, be creative about the way you approach this. What matters most in tackling this prompt is having strong convictions as related to the ideas you're trying to convey. For this reason, prompt number 3 can be an amazing vehicle for showcasing your persuasive skills, consideration, and passion to admissions. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel. We will be releasing new videos regularly, and we also have a ton of advice up on our channel already, so check us out, and we look forward to seeing you soon.